Ricicle here. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I think I got my Bearing Sun thing fixed. Yep. So yeah. Gonna open it up, see what's up. Hopefully this is it, because I already got my compensation video knife, as you guys already saw. I already cut it. Just sharpen the Spartico. Hopefully this one's working condition. Alright. Lots of packing peanuts. Cool. Oh, I taped it up exactly like this. Wait a minute, I taped it up exactly like this. Wait a minute. Hold T-fuck up. Oh, no, it's new, I hope. This one feels better. Yep. Nope, works. Oh shit, hold on. Got it. Man, can I make a video, Ita? Huh? I'm making a video! Oh. Fucking A, now I seem like shit. That's kind of embarrassing. Damn it. I wish I can redo the whole fucking video. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. See? Trying to make a video, parents coming in asking me questions and shit. They don't like me buying hella knives, but this works a lot better. It's actually not as rough. Feels like it gets in there, bam, and then it gets stuck, see? Now with this side. But let's see how sharp this is. Oh, it actually feels pretty sharp. I like this blade shape. It's nice and pointy. Very, very nice acute tip. What is there to cut? Get my drawer. Get some paper. Alright. So, this works real nice. Oh, blade play. Not very much. So that's good. I love the pocket clip. So let's see how sharp this is. Relatively sharp. I'll sharpen it up a little more. My ceramic rods. Cool. So it's pretty sharp. I'll sharpen it up more. But awesome. I don't know what the hell this is. That it gets there and it gets stuck, but feels, I don't know, doesn't flow very well. I mean, maybe I have to get used to it. See, what the hell is that? I swear, I hope I don't have to send this in. But, you know, there's my little video. I'll talk to you guys later. By the way, this safe handle is just sunk for some reason. I have to move it up to lock it. But I don't find that as a big problem. So I will talk to you guys later. I'm relatively happy about this. Fixed it. And, little comparison, fast. Bradley Camara, B200. Awesome. Later, guys.